how to activate Primetime Boost on Tinder. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Tinder application. If you don't have one, install it from Google Play Store. After that, open up the application. Then make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you're logged in and you get to this interface, now under this profile name there you'll be able to view a purple icon at the bottom right corner at the last. So tap on this purple color icon. Now here, activating Primetime Boost can enhance your profile visibility during peak activity times. That means you can be at the top profile in your area for 30 minutes to get more matches. Now after you tap on that, there you will have various options to purchase Boost. You can follow the prompts to purchase the Primetime Boost, and you have to select the number of boosts that you want to buy under these all packages. So there is 10 boosts available, next one 5 boosts, and then 1 boost, and it is given to you along with your price range. So select the one that you would like to purchase. After that, add your payment method. So once you purchase the Prime Boost, you can activate the boost immediately or save it for later. To activate it, tap on the boost icon and confirm activation. So that's how you can activate Primetime Boost on Tinder, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.